These just got delivered, and inside this cover is a pair of DJ headphones, and not just any other DJ headphones. They are very unique, very special, and they are very popular right now, and every other DJ, at least the DJs that I know in Bangalore, are buying these headphones. Let's unbox this and see what it is all about. Hey, what's good you guys? My name is Deep and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. This is another unboxing video, and this time the unboxing is of a very special, very special headphones from Sennheiser. Now that's right, these are the HD-25 limited edition DJ headphones. Now let's open this box and see if I got the limited edition yellow cup headphone or if I got the black HD-25. Alright, there you have it. Let's just tear this box apart and find out what's inside and if we got the right model. Yes! We got the Sennheiser HD-25 limited edition. Wow, look at the box, guys. A very nice classic HD-25 box. Actually, if you guys know headphones, these headphones are inspired by the HD-414. Let's unbox this top cover because there is another box inside. Oh, that's the first look of how the headphones would look inside. I'm gonna leave this pretty lady somewhere over here. Alright, let's just look at the box again and see what else is written. HD-25 with the straight cable, additional pair of black ear pads, which means that along with the yellow ear cups, you will also get 2 black ear pads. And the third thing is that you get the 3.5 to 6.3 mm headphone adapter, and that's about it. And then you have the technical data where it says it's the 70 ohms model. And if you guys know headphones, again, these are exactly similar to the HD-25 2, which cost about 25,000 rupees, but not this one. I will get back to that. At the back, you have just more information. Legendary HD-25 sound, split headband. That's the good thing about these. Capable of handling high sound pressure volumes, robust single side cable. Okay, and the next thing is the HD-25 series. They have the information about the HD-25 series. A lot of people have confusion about this. Let me just zoom in and show you. A lot of the people have concerns about this. Now the thing is, the HD-25 series are not just one headphone. There are a lot of headphones in this series, especially the HD-25 Lite, the HD-25 and the HD-25 Plus. This is the HD-25. The Lite comes with a single headband, so it doesn't have the split headband. Okay, and the HD-25 Plus comes with extra ear pads and an extra cable. That's the only difference, but the sound remains the same. Let me just quickly zoom out. Okay, now let's just unbox this and find out. There's no tape. Okay, if you don't have the tape, that doesn't mean that the box is already opened. They just don't have the tape. Don't worry about it. Okay, are you guys ready for the first look with me? Wow, beautiful. Let's just keep these beautiful headphones aside for a moment and see what else is in the box. You have the user manual, which is useless. Oh, sorry, SpongeBob. And then, as I said, you also get these 2 extra ear pads and the inside film as well to protect your drivers from all of the dust. Nice, very nice. We're gonna keep these safe. Because these are the limited edition, you get the yellow cups, but otherwise you get the black cups. And the box has a very nice looking smiley. Smile at it, and let's keep the box away for a minute. There you go. You can stay there. Now, let's get rid of this and open these headphones. I try to save these as much as possible. I like to use them for something else, so I'm just gonna leave these with me. Wow. Have a look at that, guys. Wow, feel good. Feels nice. They're very light. That's the first thing. The first thing that I feel with these headphones are that these are very, very light. Wow, look at that. The cable is on the left, and then the right has just the Sennheiser branding. Wow. Feels good. And yes, you also get these angular headphone jack, which is a screw type, converting 3.5 to 6.5 if I'm not wrong. First impressions, guys, I think these headphones look very good. Now another thing that you should know is that only one side of the headphones will bend backwards or forward, but not both the sides. Okay, this is locked, this is not, but that's okay. But these headphones are so light and so nice. So there you have it, guys. This was just a quick unboxing of the HD-25 limited edition DJ headphones, and I was so excited to open these. I got them in the evening and I was just holding back because I wanted to make this beautiful unboxing video for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video and you guys understood what this is and what is the hype all about. Every other DJ in Bangalore is buying these right now because of the price, and this is a great time for you guys to purchase them as well. Now let's talk about the price. These headphones are actually for 19,000 rupees, but you can get them today on sale for just 9,000 rupees. That's right. The reason why they're giving it away for so cheap is because it's the 75th anniversary that they're celebrating of the HD-25 series, and that is the reason why they're coming down at this cost. Even the MRP on the box says 18,990, which is 19,000 rupees, and these are at a great price right now of just 9,000 rupees. But let me tell you an important thing. On the website, on the Amazon website, they will tell you that you are getting the black edition or the black version. Okay, on the website, even when I was purchasing it, even on this paper here, it says the Sennheiser HD-25 black professional DJ headphones. But as long as it is written 75th anniversary limited edition, I'm sure you're gonna get these for just 9,000 rupees. And when you order, if you're lucky, you're gonna get the yellow ones, because the yellow ones are limited and there are just few of them which will remain on sale, and after the limited edition or the yellow version is over, they're going to start shipping the black ones. So they've clearly mentioned that this is going to be on offer for a limited time. So even if you don't have a need of it right now, you can still go ahead and buy them, because the price is going to go up to 19,000 rupees, and you never know, maybe in the future you can just sell them for a little over this much. Or if you're like me, I think you're going to stick on to it and you're going to keep them forever. That's been it. My name is Deep, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.